So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a sunset look. I was inspired by this picture right here. And I really just thought it was so beautiful. And I was like, you know what? I can do an eye look that's just like that. So I'm going to be doing that today. And if you would like to see how it turned out, then please keep on watching. So I have my brows already did because I have a video actually going up on my brow tutorial because I just filmed it. So I'm so excited about that because a lot of people have been asking me how I do my brows. So that will be up very, very soon, if not before this. And I got my nails done too. Very Christmassy, very holiday, very beautiful. Obsessed. Love it. So excited. So I cleaned up my brow. So I just did underneath and I brought it all the way down to my lid and patted it in with a translucent powder. So I'm going to do my eyes first and then I'll do my face because the palette that I'm going to be using has a lot of fallout. And I really do like this palette. It's very pigmented, but it does have a lot of fallout. So I am going to be doing my face last. So for eyes, like I said, I'm going to be doing a sunset tutorial look. It's very pretty, very colorful, and you know what? I need a little bit more color in my looks because I usually do a very natural look, so I want to spruce it up a bit and do a little bit of a color tutorial. So I am going to be starting out with a white base. So just so everything pops out and stands out, I'm going to be using a white base. So this is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and all the products will be listed below, by the way. So I'm just going to be taking this on my eye. And I'm going to be doing it all the way to my eyebrow. So I'm just going to be blending it in with my finger. And I'm just going to be blending it in where my eyebrow is. So now that that's nice and white and blended, I'm going to be using a pink shade. So I'm going to be doing a lighter pink and then a darker pink, and then I'm going to be ombreing it into the orange and yellow tones. So this palette is old, don't mind it. This is the 120 Colors Palette Eyeshadow by BH Cosmetics, and don't mind it, it's really dirty, but the colors I'm going to be showing you. So it looks like this. And has like a little ribbon thing right here, and you can take it out and do it just like that. So it comes with 120 eyeshadows. So I'm going to be starting out with a lighter pink, so I'm going to be using this pink right here, if you can see that, and I'm going to be just using a fluffy brush. So as you can see, it's very pigmented. So I'm just going to be blending this like there's no tomorrow. By the way, off camera, I did put a translucent powder over the white cream base. I'm just going to be blending that. I'm going to be putting it all over. I'm not just going to be putting it on the outer. I'm going to be putting it all over. And this is our transition color, so we want it to be very, very blended. Alright, so now that that's nice and blended, I'm going to be using a darker hot pink. So I'm just going to be going from darker to darker. And I'm going to be using this dark pink shade. And I'm just going to be building that up until I like how deep it is, how dark it is, with that same brush. And I'm just going to be putting it a little bit lower than the transition, because the transition I did a little bit like in the middle of where my crease is. So I'm just going to be putting it in my crease and a little bit downward. we're going to be doing a cut crease after, a half cut crease, so it doesn't really matter if a little bit goes onto the lid, but you just want it to be blended and like ombreed. So that now that that pink is done, I'm going to start out with the half cut crease. So I'm going to be using the white again. This time I'm going to be putting it on the back of my hand. So I'm just going to be swiping it just like that. Kind of a lot of product. I'm going to be using the Essence of Beauty Conceal Brush. And I'm going to be just taking it from the back of my hand like this. And I'm just going to be swiping it like this. And you're going to need a lot of product because this stuff is a pencil, not a pot. So I'm going to be taking it just halfway. So just about to the arch of the eyebrow, like this, and then I'm just going to be blending it out with the side of the brush. And to set that, I'm just going to be using the translucent powder again, and that same brush. So it looks a little crazy right now, but we will be blending. Alright, so with this like kind of flat blender brush, I'm going to be doing the orange on my lid. So I'm going to be taking from this palette this orange right at the top. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm just going to be packing that on the lid, and it takes a little bit to be opaque, some of these colors. There we go. And you just want to blend that into the pink on the side where the cut crease isn't there. And I'm just going to put that all over the white in the front. So we want it a little deeper over here. So I'm going to be adding the deeper orange. So that looks like that. I'm going to be taking that same brush with the deeper orange color, and I'm going to be applying that in the half where the cut crease isn't there. Just like that. And I'm just going to be lightly blending that into where that cut crease starts, I should say. So you can see like that the colors that mix over here, it's like a pretty purple. So I'm just gonna blend in that in this way. So with this Essence of Beauty eyeshadow brush, looks like these. I'm gonna be taking the yellow, and the brightest yellow I can find in this palette. Oh, it's a little bit. And I'm gonna be taking it in the inner corner, and same thing on the other side. And I'm going to just wipe off some of the excess, and I'm just going to blend it into that orange that we put down, that light orange. I'm going to be taking that first fluffy brush with the pink on it, and I'm going to be taking that hot pink color again, the darkest, and I'm just going to be rubbing it right into halfway, though, halfway. We're going to be going halfway, just like this. Where that deeper orange is, very lightly. Okay, so now that we have this done, I'm going to do my full face, and then I will show you how I do the underneath the eye. Of course, I'm going to be taking my Holy Grail Fit Me foundation in 120 Classic Ivory on the back of my hand. Oh, now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in light, and I'm gonna go like this, like this. With my Laura Mercier powder, I'm gonna be underneath my eyeballs and on my forehead a little bit. You know what? I've been loving this dewy look lately because usually my face is like extra shiny, but honestly, I'm kind of liking it because it makes my skin look very fresh. So, you know what? I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it. For contour, what do you think I'm gonna be using for contour? Well, you were right. Shade and Light Kat Von D. Ooh. Shade and Light by Kat Von D, and I'm going to be using my contour brush, Sony Kashik number 113, and I'm going to be using that. With my Eco Tools brush, I'm going to be using my Tarte Partey 12-hour blush in Amazonian Clay. Highlight. We gotta glow to the gods, honey. So I'm gonna be using my Real Techniques contour brush, but I use it for highlight, and my Fix Plus to make it extra glowy, and my MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm gonna be my highlight. Did I just blind you guys? You guys gotta go to the eye doctor now. Honey, yes. Oh yeah. This is good. This is nice. That Fix Plus makes all the difference. I can't get over my highlight right now. So for my under eyes, I'm going to be taking that same brush, the MAC 217, and I'm just going to be putting the dark hot pink color, and I'm going to be brushing that kind of like a triangle, so it has like a little point right there, like a little triangle. And I'm just going to be blending. With that orange brush that I was using, the Avon one, I'm going to be taking the dark orange and also smudging that in the middle. With that Essence of Beauty, I'm going to be using that dark yellow color, and I'm just going to be blending that with the yellow in my inner corner. So all connects like that. I'm going to be using a white eye pencil, and I'm going to be putting it in my waterline. I'm using my NYX Jumbo eye pencil because there we go. Now we look a little more opened up, a little crazy. So I'm going to be doing just a small line on my lash line. Not a wing or anything. I'm just going to be lining it very skinny. Do you guys have any favorite songs that you've been listening to? If so, put them in the comments below. I need some new songs on my Apple Music playlist because I'm so sick of them. I have like the same like 15 songs that I listen to, not even like 5. I've been listening to the Demi Lovato album because I'm going to her concert in March. So excited. But I've been listening to that. I've been listening to, I don't know, random stuff. All random, honestly. For lips, I'm just gonna be doing like a nude lip, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Toffee. I love this. So that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming it. I think it's so colorful and pretty. I will insert some pictures. I will take some pictures if you can't see it that good on camera. And I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you like these colorful makeup tutorials, then please let me know. Thumbs up the video and I will definitely do more for you guys. I know it's fun and I know you guys like watching them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram and Twitter. They are linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks guys. Bye.